Check 1 2. Check 1 2. You want to check the microphone, not a BOOZHOO? Check, 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 check. How about you, Natasha?
Check 1 2.
Okay. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And today we're going to do a song by the late, great Jim Croce.
Mm-hmm.
Jim Croce had so many great songs.
Yeah.
And was one of these many musicians who died in a plane crash, I think. But when I was a kid, my parents used to play guitar and sing songs. And this was one of the songs that my dad would do. And it's Bad, Bad Leroy Brown. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Well, the south side of Chicago is the baddest part of town. And if you go down there, you better just beware of a man called Leroy Brown. Well, Leroy, more than trouble. You see, you stand about 6'4". All the downtown ladies call him treetop lover, and the man just called him sir. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, Leroy, he a gambler, and he likes his fancy clothes, and he likes to wear his diamond ring in front of everybody's nose. You got a Lincoln Continental, you got an Eldorado too, he got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun, he got a razor in his shoe. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, neither than a junkyard dog. Well, Leroy, about a week ago, Leroy shooting dice, and at the edge of the bar sat a girl named Doris, and ooh, that girl looked nice. Well, the two men, and the trouble soon began. Leroy Brown learned a lesson about a messing with the wife of a jealous man. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, the two men took a fighting when they pulled him from the floor. Leroy looked like a jigsaw puzzle with a couple of pieces gone. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, neater than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, neater than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, neater than a junkyard dog.
Oh, wow. Great job.
Oh, wow. All right, I only screwed up one chord. Thank you so much. I am Michael Lyons. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
This is not a BOOZHOO.
Okay.
See you again. Igawaba min.
Minawa.
Hoa.
Oh,
Hoa. Oh, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up.
oh, yeah, huh?